Hello everyone, my name is Sokrab and I'm the Office Secretary of Sokrab Group, Rwanda, and I'm very glad to welcome you on our first episode of The Member Voice. The Member Voice, a series by Sokrab Professional Networks, where we highlight the experiences of our partners and the different kind of partners that we have around the world. And today I'm pleased that I'm with one of our members whose names are
Omkar.
Okay. So he's one of our members and he is specialized in auto and ERP solutions, right? So he originates from India and he's currently working with Sokrab Rwanda. So thank you for joining us. To start, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your professional background?
So I completed my engineering back in 2019, and since then I have worked with Odoo Gold partner called as Vista Solutions, and then back in 2022 I started my own company back in India, which provides technical implementation solutions. And so I started as a developer. Now I can say after 6 years I can proudly call myself as a consultant.
Nice.
Okay.
What motivated you to join the Sokrab Professional Network?
Yeah, so basically, I have been working with Alamin for around 4 years now. So I could, in the last 4 years working with him, I could see the vision that he has and the progress and the zeal that he has to build, the professional network. So that is how I have been, and we both have, I would say, we both have been in the growing phase. So that is how I came in contact with Sokrab Rwanda. And so we also work back in Dubai as well together. So that is how I got introduced to the professional network.
Right. So can you briefly tell us about your company and the services you provide in auto ERP solutions?
So my company name is Argon Technologies. It is registered back in India. So we provide technical implementations. That is, we code, we consult functionally, as well as we provide support services to Alamin, like partners like Alamin and other countries as well. So with Alamin, we have partners working with us in USA, in Canada, in Saudi, and then in Dubai, Philippines, Australia, so many countries.
Okay. So you are currently working with Sokrab. So can you please tell us about the nature of the collaboration between your company and the Sokrab Rwanda?
Yeah. So basically, as I told you, my company Argon Technologies basically focuses on technical implementations, and Alamin, him being as a functional consultant, that is where we both fit in as a puzzle together. So that he consults, he does the functional implementation, I do the complete technical implementation, that is coding, deployment of the Odoo service on the cloud servers and so on.
So, how has your experience been in terms of teamwork, communication, and professionalism?
Yeah, with respect, I would say I haven't communicated much with anyone else, but I have mostly worked with Alamin for the past 4 years. So we have gelled like brothers.
Yes.
Now it's been a month I've been here. So he's been a great host to me here in Japan. So yeah, so we don't think this as a professional box, but as a brother.
Yeah.
Family.
Okay. So this is your experience working in Rwanda. How would you describe your first impression of the country?
With respect to the country, I would say the food, the people, culture, and the beauty.
You like it here? Okay.
It's been a month here, but I'm going this weekend. I'm traveling back to India. But I still feel if there was much days I could stay. Hopefully next time that is what I told Alamin as well. That let us I would love to stay and let us get a project that I can come back here soon.
Okay. So the following question, from a professional perspective, how do you find the business and technology environment in Rwanda?
Yeah, with respect to what I have seen, we have been out as well in the market. And, So what I feel is there are still more opportunities since it is a developing country. But when we see back compared to the Asian country, then we see that there are many more improvements which we don't have in India.
Really?
Yeah, we don't have some things in India which are much more advanced here as well. So, but I feel there is a lot of opportunities for technology, and I think what Sokrab is doing is, it is the stepping stone in this technology initiative in Rwanda.
Okay. So, would you recommend other professionals and companies to join Sokrab Professional Network?
Yeah, definitely, because I am the best example. Started with Alamin with nothing, and I have been here with 4 years with him. I have grown, literally grown with him. Even my business, my everything has been growing with when I have joined Sokrab and Alamin. Definitely, I would recommend anyone to join it.
How would you rate it in a scale of 10?
On a scale of 10, I would rate 9. I don't want to be complete. I don't want to say 10.
That's it.
But I would say it 9.
Okay, nice. That's very nice.
Because I don't want to make it sound like scripted to say
Yeah, of course. Okay. So, final question. In one sentence, how would you describe your experience with Sokrab Professional Network and Sokrab Rwanda?
Definitely, my experience has been very good, and with Mansoor sir and Alamin, I think there are many more exciting opportunities coming from Rwanda as well as from other different countries. And we are working with many companies here in Rwanda as well as a partnership. So yeah, I think there is a huge opportunities are coming. You want to continue?
Yeah, no, we don't have another question. So thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. Thank you for being here. We're very glad that you're part of our team, our growing team. And we're also glad that you are part of Sokrab Rwanda and also part of Sokrab Professional Network.
Thank you.
So, okay. So to our audience, thank you for listening, and we're looking forward to have so many more episodes of the Member Voice for you to get more to learn about our growth.